Format Philips TV. Hey guys, right? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, you learn how to format, how to put your TV to factory settings really quickly. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here, I always make several tutorials to make it easier for you. So guys, there are already other smart TV videos. If you have any doubts on other subjects, I'll leave the playlist with other videos on the card now. So in this video, you learn how to format, how to put your Philips TV back to the original factory defaults. The process is really simple. We're here on the screen. I just turned on the TV and Netflix appears here for me, but it could be on any screen. Netflix can be on the TV, no problem at all. The important thing is you click here on the home button. You'll look for the home option on your remote control depending on the model of your Philips TV. It may have a gear to quickly access the settings, so it will depend on the model. On my model, the home button appears here that I'm going to click. Anyone who has this gear symbol in control can quickly access the settings. It's an even faster process. I'm going to click OK to access, and there will be more options as well. So we're going to look for the TV settings option down here. You're going to press OK again. And it's going to look for the option here underneath factory settings. Here where you format, it puts your TV as if it came from the factory. Okay? You're going to click OK. And here it warns you that only the sound and picture settings revert to factory defaults. The channel installation will not be altered. So if you want to format your TV, the Philips TV, just click on back to default. Click here on OK. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll leave it here. Big hug. Stay with God. Thank you.